1/2 cup of sugar into the bowl.
1/2 cup.
1/2 cup.
White granulated sugar?
Right.
Okay.
Okay, then I'm going to add 2 eggs.
Okay. Whole eggs, no yolk and everything, right?
Whole eggs.
Okay. And today what we're making is we're doing Grandma's bread pudding, which is absolutely amazing. So just whipping it up there? Or?
I'm going to whip the sugar and the eggs together before I add the butter.
Okay. And how much butter will you be adding?
4 tablespoons.
4 tablespoons.
Softened.
Softened?
Mm-hmm.
So do you put it in the microwave or?
I did, but you have to be very careful. It'd be better to. I just do it like 10 seconds at a time.
Okay.
Because if you do it all to get it melted, it'll just explode all over everything.
And you said 4 tablespoons or teaspoons?
4
tablespoons?
Yes.
Okay.
It's a 1/4 cup.
1/4 cup. Now you said butter or margarine?
Calls for butter. And this is butter.
Okay.
But you could use margarine.
Is there a difference?
Butter is richer.
Okay.
Then I pour this butter in.
Okay.
With the egg and sugar.
Okay. So just gonna look at it right there.
And you need to mix this up real good. The sugar, the eggs, and the butter.
Okay. So over your last 4 or 5 batches, have you gotten it down better? I mean, they've all been good, but over the last couple batches, have you kind of?
I think it's gotten better.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
We're going to add like a 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And what I do is that's a 1/4 of a teaspoon.
Okay. Just about enough to fill the center of your palm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then I add just a little vanilla.
Like a cap of vanilla? Or a dash?
A dash.
Okay.
Like this.
Okay.
That's probably about a 1/4 of a teaspoon.
Okay.
Next is sugar, the eggs, the butter,
And salt.
Salt and vanilla.
Okay.
Kind of beat it up a little bit. Then it calls for 2 cups of milk.
2 cups of milk. Does it matter what kind of milk?
I usually use the whole milk like you have.
Okay.
I forgot one thing. A little bit of cinnamon.
Okay.
Ground cinnamon.
Okay. Ground cinnamon. How much? Just a sprinkle?
I'd say about a 1/2 teaspoon.
1/2 teaspoon?
Look at that and you can see about like that.
Okay.
Now you want to take and you want to mix this up real good. Sometimes if you add your butter into the eggs and sugar and your eggs are cold, it'll make your butter clump up.
Clump up, okay.
So it's better to have your eggs kind of
room temperature?
Room temperature. Okay, this is all of your liquid. Four cups, and I just use the measuring cup, and I take some of the brown off so I don't have a lot of crust.
Okay.
But this is 4 cups.
Okay. Wheat or white bread?
Well, you could use wheat if you like wheat.
Okay.
But I usually use white bread.
Okay.
So then I'm gonna
You said 4 cups?
4 cups.
4 cups, okay.
And you just want to kind of mix your bread into your liquid. And then you're going to use raisins.
How many is that?
This is about a little over a half a cup.
Okay. Now, are those necessary, or are they optional, or?
You
I know,
don't,
I like it with the raisins.
you don't have to use raisins,
Okay?
but it seems like we both like it with raisins.
Yes. So now are you just kind of mixing it together, or are you trying to beat it, or?
No, I'm just mixing it. You don't
Okay.
want to beat it.
Okay.
You don't want your bread to get real soggy. And
Okay.
I forgot to get the dish over here. I'm going to spray this just a little bit so that the stuff
Doesn't.
just kind of scrape your dish out. And kind of even it all out so that you get your bread into your liquid.
Okay. Just kind of even it out too.
Yeah, just kind of like that. So
So you don't want to mix that so the bread breaks up, right?
right, well I usually have the bread pretty well broke up, but still mix it around like that so it gets all in your liquid. And then, the thing that I do, what you probably don't do, is I take this here while that's preheating. I take some hot water.
Okay.
And I pour it in here.
Okay.
Probably about 2 of these.
2 cups.
That's good.
Okay.
Then
Oh wow, so it's kind of like a steamer double.
yes, it kind of, and that way it doesn't get real brown and
crispy on the
bottom.
Yep. Okay, I've never done that before.
Well, this is the only pan I found that fit this pretty good.
Okay.
And then as soon as that gets to 350, put it in the oven.
Okay.
And takes about a good 35 minutes.
So 30 minutes at 350, correct?
Yeah. And then if you want to just take a fork and over in one corner and just check it and see if you think the liquid is pretty well absorbed.
Okay.
You know, if you don't think so, then let it go another 5 minutes.
Okay. Alrighty, so what we're going to do, folks, is we're going to wait for that pre to heat up all the way, and then we'll check back in with you when it's all out of the oven and all cooked, and you can see the end result. Thank y'all. Are you putting on the lowest rack, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'd say a good 35 minutes.
35 minutes? Okay.
I would think, yeah.
Okay. So folks, what we're going to do is we're going to wait 35 minutes, and we will check back in when it's all done. That's famous bread pudding. Ooh, yeah. That looks amazing. As always, use hot pads. Be careful taking it out of the oven. Smells amazing, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does smell good.
And red button right there. Always make sure you turn your oven on, folks. So.
And just up a little bit. And set it out of the water.
Okay.
Like that. Dump the water, and it's done.
Let's get a close up of this. Go ahead and set that down there. Alrighty. Looks absolutely amazing. It really does. Smells even. Can't even describe it. It's amazing.
Smells good.
It does. What do you think? Pretty good, huh?
I think it's good.
Would you say this is one of your best ones?
Yeah.